Hi everyone, Kelly Schaffner here. Welcome to my channel. Today I am sharing with you a mix and match unboxing, and I just have to come on real quick before the video starts and let you know that I have made a very big mistake, so I want to correct that before the video. I have even been debating on whether or not I should publish this because the information that I have spoke about is not 100% correct. So let me tell you the details on Mix and Match box. They offer two style boxes. They offer a go for it style box and they offer a take a chance style box. And I speak in this video incorrectly. The box that I am unboxing in this video is the take a chance box. The go for it box is very similar to all the other style boxes. You pay a styling fee and a stylist curates a box for you, and you get a discount if you buy X amount of pieces. But the take a chance box, which is what I have ordered and what I am unboxing in this video, is a flat rate of $105. There is a 3-month subscription to get that box, the Take a Chance box, and they send you 2 to 4 pieces with a retail value of $175. All of the information will be in the description box below. I apologize for any confusion that I create. I hope this clears it up, so watch the video. Hi everyone, I am Kelly Schaffner. I am so glad that you have taken a few moments out of your day to watch my video and see what is in my box. If this is your first time joining me, please be certain to hit the subscribe button and tap the bell so you will be notified every single time I upload a video. And most all of my videos are about clothing. If you enjoy those types of videos, you are in the right place. And I received my box today. And guess what? This one is a little bit different. I own this box. I do not have to open it today. I have no time restrictions about sending this back. I own everything in this box. And yet, it's all a surprise to me. This is Mix and Match box, and I was really surprised. Mix and Match box usually sends a brown box, but this is different. This is the Go For It box, which means I signed up for 3 months of Go For It. So I am spending $105 a month for a box with 2 to 4 items in it with a retail value of $175. There is a $25 styling fee that's included in that price tag of $105. So I do have options to return or exchange things if they don't work, but then I have to pay the styling fee. Not exactly sure how that works. I hope it doesn't come into play with this box, but I will tell you, I have been with Mix and Match. This is my 4th box, and from box number 1, they were able to get my style right. I have kept pieces, lots of pieces from every single box. In fact, last month, I think I only sent 1 dress back. Yeah, that's all I sent back. They do a dynamite job of styling and getting it right in this service. So I am so excited, and although I own this and I could wait till next week, I want to unpack this box as I'm taking a break from packing all my other boxes. Let's see what's inside there. This is what the box looks like, and it looks an awful lot like the Take a Chance box with the pink package and the little gray polka dot bow. We also have paperwork in here, so let me look at the paperwork and share with you the details as we go through this. I'm wrong. I read the paperwork, and if I want to return anything, I have 5 days, and they have enclosed a mailer. So listen to me. I'm such a know-it-all. Really glad I didn't wait a month to open this box. If I did, it would all be mine. And I feel pretty confident that my stylist knows me and she gets my sizing right every time. So that wouldn't be a big thing, but I do have options to return, and I have 5 days to do that if I decide to do that. Let's open this bundle. It's so cute. The stylist did say send a note, and there is an invoice telling me the prices. I didn't look at any of that because I like to be surprised. Let's look at the our colors here. This is what my big bundle looks like. Oh, this is pretty. This is a dress. This is a dress by Gilly. It's a maxi dress. Look at this detail in the back. Isn't that nice? And it's bra friendly, so I love that. That was one of the issues with the yellow dress she sent last month, is it did require a special bra, but this one doesn't look like it will. And this is really nice. I am really enjoying Gilly brand as well. Okay, this looks beautiful. Look at these colors. This is another Gilly. Like I said, I'm really enjoying Gilly. In fact, Mix and Match is the first service to send me Gilly and turn me on to it. So look, it's all, we've got the faux wrap in the front, and this is a light blue, and it's kind of a coral color stripe there. And this is a shorter dress, but I like this. I like this dress a lot. I hope it works for me. We have some black, which is not my favorite color. This is 143 Story. It's a cold shoulder, but we have the coral flowers in it, so I am more than willing to try it. We have this little detail here. So we'll have to see how that falls, because that is, if the placement is right, I might like it. We have kind of a little flutter sleeve there, but cold shoulder I am all about. Oh, look, I didn't notice. Did you guys see that? It's got a knot in it as well. Again, a detail that I enjoy on my tops. And then next we have, oh my God, look at this color. Oh, wow. This is Skies Are Blue. This is so beautiful. I love this color. That banding around the bottom has got some pink, it looks like, a fuchsia color in it. This is great. Lauren, it looks like you've done a good job. Lauren is my stylist, and I think she's awesome. Okay, cross your fingers that everything works. Try on time. First up is the Gilly dress, and this is a size medium. It was a little tough getting it over my head and getting it on. It does have a slip, and it's fully lined under, well, not fully lined, but lined underneath, so I appreciate that. We've got something a little weird going on right through here. It's not laying quite right, and here's the back of it. And I'm wondering if a size up would work better for me, to be honest with you. I feel like this is really snug, which I don't mind the way it looks at all, but I'm afraid with a washing, this might be too small for me. I'll stand back so you can see the length. You could see Mia here. Can you see the length of this dress? So I like this dress. I do think this one might require sizing up. I can't wait to hear your comments on this fabulous dress. Dress number 2, this is another Gilly, and I'm loving it. This is a fit and flare dress, fitted through the bodice and some extra room and a fuller skirt, which tends to be very easy for me to wear with my curvy hips. So I like this style of dress. Probably this is my favorite. So I'll show you this neckline. We do have a deep V there. I'm not minding it. I guess I could cross it maybe a little higher, but I am not minding it. It's a nice summer dress, and what do you think about these colors? Aren't they excellent? This is a lined dress, so I appreciate that as well, and this is what it looks like. Do we have any movement? Let's check it out. Do we have any movement? What do you think about the stripes? I think I'm enjoying these colors, this combination of colors. Is it reminiscent of the Maggie London dress I just picked up? A very different flavor of dress though, but I'm liking the color combination. What do you think about this Gilly dress? This is the Cold Shoulder by 143 Story, and when I first started filming, when I started my YouTube channel in January of this year, I was receiving a lot of prints that looked like this.
and I was not crazy about them. These great big flowers on a black print, and it's growing on me. Florals are in. If you weren't aware, florals are kind of trending now, and so I like it. I'm not crazy about it. I do like this detail, and I think this top would pair well with a nice pair of black dress pants. I think this is more demure. That's what I think. It's not as loud and playful as the two dresses I just tried on. I don't know. Maybe you think differently of this one. So we have the cold shoulder there. I don't know about this. I don't know. I think the blouse would be beautiful without it, but that's a little detail there. It's not a choker. It's not up around my neck, but I think it's an attempt at a choker. And this one is, it's not a big win for me, but it's not bad. I will definitely wear it. The last item is a Skyzer blue top, and I love the color. So I have been collecting a lot of this color, but nothing with a print on it. So it is nice to have a cool summer top with this beautiful print. Can I get up close and show it to you? And you can see that band there. So we have this little keyhole in the front with the band holding it, but this does not look the same as the cold shoulder. This doesn't look like an addition. The keyhole actually looks like a cutout, and this does have a little opening in the back and a button that is cloth covered, and I love this pattern. I like this color. This is a fun summer top that will get a lot of wear from me. Take a look at the invoice and see what these items actually cost. You have seen all the prices, and I have just looked over the prices and read the note from my stylist. It is evident that she has taken a lot of care to select items that she thinks I'll like, and I do. I like everything. This dress is $50. The maxi dress is $54. This cold shoulder top that it isn't my favorite. It's $36. I will wear this top. I think this is going to be a great top for the fall, honestly. And then this top is $42. $42 for this Skyzer blue. So the grand total of this box is $182, and I spent $105 on it. So that is an incredible bargain. I am quite satisfied with it. Before I tried this Go For It box, I did watch other YouTubers review their boxes to see if I really felt that the value was there. And I have been purchasing items from Mix and Match Box, and every month I have been spending far more than $105 with this company. So I thought Go For It is probably right up my alley. If you would like to try Mix and Match Box, I have a referral link in the description box below, as well as all the information about Mix and Match that I know. Obviously, I don't know everything. I didn't know I had 5 days to do exchanges and returns with this box, but I am learning. And I'm happily learning all about Mix and Match Box. Can you give this video a thumbs up and leave your comments below? Let me know if you think I should exchange the maxi dress. That's the one thing that I'm not quite certain about the fit on. And I will have another video for you. I'm not sure when. I am still taking requests. Please let me know what you would like to see as my boxes go on hold and I move from, it could be a few months without my style boxes. If there's any video suggestions, please leave them in the comments below because I will miss you and I do want to stay in touch. So let me know. And until we meet again, blessings to all of you. Bye-bye.